Italy. The picturesque European country has recently gained immense popularity as a travel destination. One of the jewels of the country is a beautiful region named as Lake Como, which has become a next celebrity hotspot. While Lake Como has been the beautiful backdrop of many well-known Hollywood movies such as Man on Fire, Ocean's 12, Julia and Julia, Casino Royale, to name a few. This time, celebrity figures from the entertainment industry chose Lake Como as their wedding destination. Recently, fan favorite couple Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone also tied knots at a stunning Italian villa in Lake Como named Villa del Balbianello. This gorgeous villa was built at the end of the 18th century, and believe us when we say that words cannot define the beauty of this place. Located on the island of Lecco in Lake Como, Villa del Balbianello features flowery pedestrians, overgrown trees, and elaborative terrace gardens. The villa consists of 75 rooms in total, and the average cost of a room is approximately 400 euros, which makes around 33,000 rupees according to Indian currency. Well, the place is definitely a dream wedding venue for many of us. For India TV Digital, Pamni Jain's report.